Hi Psychic Truth fam, my name is Sina and welcome to this full body beginner dance yoga class. So whenever you're ready, just grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright yogis, let's go ahead and get started by coming into a tabletop position, so just hands and knees on your mat. Nice. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose as you drop your belly, roll your shoulders back, lift your gaze up towards the ceiling, finding a cow. Exhale, push yourself away from your mat, hollow your belly, gaze comes down for cat. Keep moving through this cat-cow right here. Coming back to your breath, really moving your spine, allowing for it to warm up. This is your powerhouse, so let's warm it up properly so that you're strong, you're stable throughout the rest of today's class. Nice work, last one. Excellent job. And then slowly coming back into your tabletop position. We're going to start by extending your right leg behind and your left in front, holding this one-armed, one-legged extension. Take an inhale as you try to reach for the opposite walls. Exhale, place it back down and switch. Inhale as you reach. Exhale as you switch. Nice work. So as you're moving through this extension, I want for you to try to lengthen from arm and leg. Every time you lift, you're lengthening a little bit further away. Nice work. This exercise is so good to start warming up your core, but also to become aware of this full body integration movements we're going to be doing throughout today's class. Nice work. We're going to do one more each side. And slowly release. Excellent job, everyone. Take an inhale through your nose. Hollow your belly. Exhale, start lifting your hips all the way up towards the sky until you find a downward facing dog. Oh yeah, once you find your downward facing dog, let's start by finding stillness at first. Trying to send your chest to your thighs, and then slowly trying to aim for your heels to come down to your mat. Keep breathing right here for 3, 2, last one, and slowly start pedaling your feet here. Nice work, everyone. So I just want for you to become aware of your body's movement right now, how flexible or how stiff it is in this first downward facing dog. Come back to find some stillness. Allow your neck to relax. Nice work. Take an inhale through your nose. And on your exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Inhale. Start circling both of your arms all the way up towards the sky, finding a crescent lunge. Exhale, allow your hands to unite, then finding pistol hands. Inhale as you reach towards the ceiling. Exhale, find a slight lateral bend. Inhale on your way up. Exhale, slight back bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bring both of your hands down towards your mat, finding a downward facing dog. Nice work. You know the drill. We're going to repeat this on the left, stepping your left foot in between both of your hands. Circle both of your hands up towards the sky, finding pistol arms. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale as you side bend. Inhale on your way up. Exhale, back bend. Inhale up. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. Find your downward facing dog. Wonderful job right here. Let's start by finding stillness at first. And then using your breath to try to drop your heels further down towards your mat. Nice work, everyone. Slowly start walking your feet in to meet your hands. Once they do so, I just want for you to relax into your forward fold. Nice work. Slowly start walking your feet back again. Coming back into your downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, drop to both of your knees. And actually walk them slightly further back so that your hands and arms are extended in front of you. Once you find this position, try to drop your chest towards the mat. Finding puppy pose and hold right here. Let's breathe. We're opening your chest. 3 more breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Last 2. Last 1. Wonderful job, everyone. Slowly come back into your tabletop position. And then allow your hips to come all the way back to your knees, finding a child's pose. Awesome work, everyone. We're going to do this sequence one more time. But we're just going to flow through 1 cat-cow and 1 arm and leg extension on both sides. Option to follow me, or you can do your own pace, just listening to the music. Let's feel like you're dancing, feel like you're flowing through water here. Let's start by finding your cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, cat-cow. Start extending here. Nice work, downward dog. Stepping your right foot in between your hands. Circle arms all the way up, pistol hands and side bend. Downward dog. Switching sides. Downward dog. Finding puppy pose. And slowly child's. Nice work, everyone. We're going to go ahead and do a second sequence right here. So just come back to your breath in this child's pose to prepare. Nice work. Then slowly bring your left hands right next to your knees or slightly in front of your knee. And then try to shift your shoulders all the way up towards the ceiling to find a nice chest opening here. Stay here for a breath. And slowly release, switching sides. So prop to your fingertips and then shift. Awesome work, everyone. Slowly come back to your child's pose. Rising to a tabletop position. Lift your hips all the way up towards the sky to find a downward facing dog. We're going to do some spinal rivers here. So inhale through your nose, hollow your belly, shift your weight forward into a plank. Exhale, bend your knees, send your hips back and lift to downward facing dog. Keep flowing through this spinal river. Nice work. We've got 2 more. Awesome job. From this downward facing dog, step your right foot in between both of your hands, drop your left knee down, circle your arms all the way up, and then drop your right hand to the floor, finding a lateral stretch here. Reaching towards your right wall, rotating your shoulders up. Find an inhale. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. Finding your downward facing dog. Let's do 3 more spinal rivers here. Flow forward and back. Nice work. From this downward facing dog, step your left foot in between your hands, drop your right knee back, circle arms up. Drop your right hand, find a lateral stretch here, and then start rotating your shoulders up. Breathe. Slowly bring both of your hands back down. Finding a downward facing dog. Stay here for a breath. Exhale, shift your way to a plank. Hold your plank for 10, 9, 8, just waking up your core. And slowly drop all the way down. Awesome work, everyone. Go ahead and just bring your hands in front. Allow your forehead to rest on your hands. Stay here for breath. Allowing your heart rate to relax slightly. And then slowly bring your left hand right next to your leg. Start bending your left knee in. Grab a hold of your foot and start pulling your foot to your glute for a quad stretch. And breathe. We're here for 5 breaths, so take them at your own pace. And release. Nice work, switching sides. 5 breaths. And release. Slowly rise yourself all the way up to an upward facing dog. Then send your hips back, gently making your way all the way down till you're lying on your back. Nice work, everyone. So start by crossing your right foot over your left leg, flexing both of your feet, and then start lifting your left knee all the way up till you're in this supported figure 4. Go ahead and reach your right hand in between your legs. Allow your fingers to interlace and grab a hold of the back of your left thigh. Take an inhale to prepare, trying to aim for your left knee to push all the way forward. Exhale, start driving your left knee in towards your thigh, finding a nice outer seat figure 4 stretch, and breathe. We're here for 5. 4. 3. Allow your knees to come closer to your chest with every exhale. Last breath right here. And slowly release. Nice work, everyone. Let's go ahead and switch sides. So now crossing your left leg across your right knee and bringing both knees in towards your chest and breathe. You might start noticing how one leg is a little more flexible than the other, one hip rather. And that's okay. Nice work, everyone. Take 2 more. And slowly release. Awesome work. Start extending your legs long in front of you. Your arms by your side, palms facing up towards the ceiling, and then just closing your eyes. Finding Shavasana, your final resting pose. If you would like to stay in this Shavasana for a longer time, feel free to do so. You can always pause the video. Otherwise, start wiggling your fingers, your toes, lengthening one knee, then the other, your elbows, finding some rotation in your wrists and your ankles. Option to extend your arms over your head for a full body good morning stretch right here, slowly shifting your weight till you come to a side lying position, and then slowly making your way all the way up to a seated position. Let's take a deep breath in, extending your arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, bringing them down to heart center. Thank you so much for practicing and dancing with me today. Namaste. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for moving with me. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further movement classes. If you like the outfit that I'm wearing today, remember to click on the shelf below so you can snatch one for yourself.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.